Hey everyone, this is Parth Patel from P3 Studio and this is the second session of VMware ESXi training. If you have missed our first session, then just go back to the videos and check it out. So what we're going to learn in this session? So in this session, we're going to learn about types of virtualization and what are the operating systems available for virtualization as well as what are the softwares for virtualization. So, types of virtualization. Full, para, and OS level virtualization are the main types of virtualization. Although you may have heard about desktop virtualization and application virtualization, right? But for the ESXi training purpose, we're going to focus on these three virtualizations. Now, what is full virtualization? Full virtualization uses a special kind of a software called a hypervisor. That is our VMware ESXi. Okay, the hypervisor or the ESXi interacts directly with the physical server's CPU and disk space and memory, and it serves as a platform for the virtual server's operating system. The hypervisor keeps each virtual server completely independent and unaware of the other virtual servers running on the physical machine. Each guest server runs on its own operating system, which means you can have Mac, Linux, and Windows, all the operating systems on a single physical hardware. And those three will be independent of each other, which means they don't know the other operating system is running on the same hardware. That is what the full virtualization implies. Now, the para-virtualization approach is a little different than the full virtualization technique. The guest servers in a para-virtualization systems are aware of one another. A para-virtualization hypervisor doesn't need as much processing power to manage the guest operating system because each OS is already aware of the demands the other operating systems are placing on the physical server. The entire system in para-virtualization works together as a cohesive unit. Third one is OS level virtualization. An OS level virtualization approach doesn't use a hypervisor at all. Instead, the virtualization capability is a part of the host OS, which performs all the function of a fully virtualized hypervisor. The biggest limitation of this approach is that all the guest servers must run the same OS. Each virtual server remains independent from all the others, but you can't mix and match the operating systems among them because all guest operating systems must be the same. This is called a homogeneous environment, and that was the OS level virtualization. Coming on to the virtualization OS and software, you are having VMware ESXi, Citrix XenServer, and Microsoft Hyper-V as the operating systems for virtualization environment. And Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstation are the good example of a virtualization software. We're going to end the session here, and in the next session we're going to install ESXi servers, so don't miss that out. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any other video. Thank you for watching.